Well, good morning from Black Barn Hollow here in Sedalia, Colorado. Our ladies are mostly staying inside because we have lots of snow. Got the feeder under the shelter here outside the barn, so I don't have to mess with that. Beautiful winter wonderland. So, quick update, because I haven't done too many. The girls are starting to be dried out. They are impregnated and looking at possibly a mid-February due date. The vet will be here on Sunday to give us a more accurate depiction of what's going on. Llamas are doing their best to eat me out of house and home. Anyway, so we have eight does that are being dried off from last season's freshening, and we have now 14 does that are pregnant. At least the assumption is that they're all pregnant. I guess there's a possibility that we may have missed one. I don't think so, but needless to say, it's kidding season. It's cold. I got the heat lamps. This one's on. That's for the kids from last year. My yearlings, not quite yearlings, I guess. They're still kids. And that last pen over there at night. So just make sure we are allowing them to have a little bit of reprieve from what was about 17 degrees last night. This is Sprite right here trying to feed off Mama. And yeah, that ship has sailed, darling. Anyway, we are excited. Hoping to have 30 plus kids in the spring. And having lots of fun for sure. All right, bye for now.